If you're looking for a classic cornbread muffin to dunk into a piping hot bowl of your favorite homemade chili, then this is the recipe for you. We'll start with 1 cup of flour, 1 heaping cup of cornmeal, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Blend the dry ingredients together using a whisk. Make sure they're all combined, and then we'll add the wet ingredients. Add 1 cup of buttermilk. I like using full-fat buttermilk. I think it adds a little thickness and body to the batter, but low-fat works just fine. 2 lightly beaten eggs, and 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter. If you choose to use salted butter, just reduce the salt by 1/8 of a teaspoon. Mix everything together well, and you'll notice this makes a really thick batter. I'm making plain cornbread today, but now would be the time to add in any extras. Maybe a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, or if you have some diced jalapenos, that would also be good. This recipe will make 12 muffins, or you could bake it in a square pan or a standard-sized cast iron skillet. If you decide to use a pan, just be sure to oil the pan before you add the batter. I really like using the parchment tulip liners for muffins. No oiling required, and they never stick to the parchment. Divide the batter evenly between the 12 muffin cups. A medium-sized scoop would definitely be easier. For some reason, I grabbed the small one for the video. Bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. All ovens are different, so just keep check on how they're browning. To check for doneness, make sure a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. I like to bake them long enough until they're brown all the way around the edge and begin to brown on top. And that's it. Just have your butter ready, a nice piping hot pot of chili or soup, and you're all set. Visit my website at doublestopbakeshop.com for this recipe and many more. I really hope you'll give this recipe a try, and definitely let me know how it turns out for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.